Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
8
Count.
count.
We
Val,
started.
Brian.
Yeah, that's us. Swivels. So we worked on swivels. Remember, it's steps. Step, 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 and then you start twisting. Ba, do, be do. We talked about how you are twisting at your waist, not just your knees, because that's a little awkward. And then we did it with 8 counts, so it was 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the swing out.
Put it in the swing outs. Yeah.
It looks like this.
We did a little exercise to just kind of get you ready. It was just that 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Get ready and go. 8, 5, 6. Get
7,
ready
8.
and a twist, twist. Get ready. Hey.
Yeah. What else did we do? We did low downs.
Good low downs.
This looks like that.
Should we show it footwork just this way?
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ba 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 ba.
Rock, step, triple step, step, step.
Ba da. Hey. Ba ba si ha ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Hey. And that's what we did. Bye.